Welcome to MASV 3, our newly designed platform. I'm going to give you a quick walkthrough of some of the updates. We increased our network presence from 10 to 160 servers globally and drastically improved our uploader code, so you can confidently send truly massive files anywhere in the world, safe in the knowledge we will maximize your transfer speeds. We've also redesigned the front end to simplify your user experience. You can now view package structures in the uploader screen, add multiple recipients for portals, track all the packages you've sent and received with MASV, but with more detail. The new branding elements are reflected throughout the app and in your delivery emails. Another big change we've made is moving to a billing model where you only pay for the data that is actually downloaded, instead of the data you uploaded. Sign up today and reach out to us with any questions and feedback via the in-app chat.